Alright, so in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add an admin on a Facebook business page. Alright, so we are on Facebook, and the very first thing you need to make sure is that you are on your Facebook business page and not your personal profile. And to do that, go over here in the right hand side on the account, press on it, and you can see you have your personal profile and your business page or business pages, and you can switch between them. So just make sure you're on the Facebook business page. Okay, once you do that, go over here in the left hand side and click on the business page basically, and you'll be prompted to the page. And then you need to go in settings, new pages experience, and over here you have people with Facebook access, and you have the button over here to add new. Press on it, press next, type the name of the person you want to give access to, and you have this one, allow this person to have full control. Toggle it on and press give access. Now you'll have to put in your Facebook password and press confirm. And the person that has been invited by you will receive a notification on Facebook where he or she has to accept it. So the process is pretty straightforward. And really, that's it. Now, if you like this video, please like it and comment something in the comment section down below, and see you in the next one. Thank you.